Finally, East Ridge is getting a Popeyes chicken and biscuits. It will be the restaurant's third location in the Chattanooga area, with more spots planned in the region in the near future. The East Ridge spot will open on Ringgold Road in December.
Hello everybody, welcome to Lost Places, and today we are talking about Popeyes Louisiana chicken. Now it's been a while since I've done a Popeyes video. If you recall, it was like 3 months ago I did that one on Broad Street, but now we're back again. There are 3 Popeyes that have closed in our area, one in Harrison, one in Broad Street downtown, and then one in East Ridge. Today we're looking at the one in East Ridge. Now, what's sad about the one in East Ridge is that it was only built in the year 2014. Before that, it was originally some random house or type car lot business. Eventually, in 2015, it was that building was destroyed, and they made way for a new Popeyes. The Popeyes remained open from 2014 to 2024. Then the company says, nah, this is an underperforming restaurant, 3-star reviews, let's just shut the place down. Which is crazy because the place is only 10 years old, which is crazy. The company just said it was an underperforming restaurant, and then they just needed to shut it down. So the company shut down, and now all that's left is the empty shell of its former self. Now, it is about time we get into the video. All right, we made it to Popeyes. Louisiana chicken. Yeah. I'm using that joke again. So, I guess we'll just get right into looking through the windows. Basically, it looks identical to the other one. Like, literally. There's no spices, though. That's interesting. For sale, meaning somebody could buy this. Duh. Of course. Never went to this location. I don't think I've ever really walked at this side, so I guess we got the drive-through. Basically, that's it for that. There's your kitchen. Little tiny window there. Coming around the back here. Could go on the roof if I wanted to. I'd like to order a chicken nugget. I don't know. I almost said chicken McNugget, and then I realized this isn't McDonald's. McDonald's is over there. Another order screen. Okay, that's interesting. There's 2 order screens. And then there's like the clearance. Here. Some more trash cans. And then somebody knocked their table over. So that basically, oh, that's cool. I want that table right there. Anyway, sums up today's video. Hopefully you subscribe and like the video. Adios, amigos. Love that chicken.
Love that chicken.
Love that chicken from Popeyes.
Love that chicken from Popeyes.